This protein hair mask makes hair grow a lot. This recipe is for all hair types. This is the best protein hair mask for extreme hair growth. To achieve this, bookmark this video so you don't lose it. Start with half an avocado. Avocado deeply moisturizes and strengthens the hair with healthy fats and vitamins. Add 1 egg. Egg provides a rich source of protein that repairs and rebuilds weak, damaged hair. Add 1 banana. Banana adds moisture, softness, and elasticity to prevent hair breakage. Add 1 cup olive oil. Olive oil nourishes the scalp, promotes circulation, and helps in sealing moisture into the hair strands. Add 2 spoons of honey. Honey acts as a natural humectant, attracting and locking moisture into the hair while also adding shine. Apply the mask generously to clean, damp hair, starting from the roots and working your way to the ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Double tap if you want more natural recipes.